Is your Android phone showing things in a language that you don't understand? Or maybe you just want to change the language of your system to a different language for practice, or maybe to your native language? No worries. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your Android system language step by step with no steps skipped. So, without further ado, let's dive into the video. Now, the first thing you have to do is unlock your phone. Then, inside your phone, look for the settings. Mine is right here. Tap there. Inside settings, scroll down until you find General Management, this option here. Tap there. Now inside General Management, right here at the top, you have Languages. Tap there. And right here inside Language, you can see that I have English and Portuguese. If you read this information right here at the top, it says that the language at the top of the list will be used as your default one. So in this case, the language at the top for me is English, and English is the default language for my system. Because I already have Portuguese right here as my second option, to change that to Portuguese become the first option, what you can do is click here on Edit, and then on the right side right here where you have Portuguese, click on these two arrows, click and hold, and then drag it to the top. So you'll see that Portuguese will become number one, and the language will automatically change to Portuguese. But to do that, let's click here to go back. Wait a second, and you'll see that the language changes to Portuguese. Now, let's say that you don't have the language that you want here. What you can do is click here on Add a Language. You'll see here at the top the suggested language, and down here as well, suggested language from Samsung. Click on these three dots to show all the language. Click here, show all the language. In this case, is in Portuguese. Let's look for Spanish. There you have it. I have here Spanish. I'm gonna tap there. Once you click on the language, it will bring another option to select the region. In this case, you will see that for Spanish, we have a lot of these countries. You can select Spanish from which country. In this case, I'm going to select Argentina. I'm going to tap there, and you'll get this notification right here at the bottom asking you if you want to set Spanish right now as your default, or you want to keep the one that you already have. For now, let's select keep the one that we already have. In this case, you will see that we have Spanish as one of the options on our list, but because we didn't select Spanish as default language, Portuguese still the default language. To set Spanish as the default, click here on Edit, select Spanish here by click on these two arrows here, click and hold, and then drag it to the top, so this becomes the number one. You'll see that Spanish became the number one. Click back, wait a second, and you will see that your language will change. As you notice, the language of your system already changed to Spanish. Let's go back again, just to make sure. As you can see, everything now on your system changed to Spanish. Let's go back again. As you can see, everything changed to Spanish. Well everyone, this is how you change your Android system language. If you found this video helpful, don't forget, like, share it, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.